They are crazy. It is very, very dangerous. Today, we are going through the true story of two men who wanted to climb Mount Everest. Look at Mount Everest. It is the biggest, tallest mountain in the whole world, in the entire world. In 1953, two men, Sir Edmund and Tenzing, his Sherpa, his helper, thought, we want to climb Mount Everest. We want to climb the highest mountain in the world. They were crazy. They were crazy to climb this mountain, Mount Everest. Okay, so they set off to climb Mount Everest. They started to walk up the mountain. But look, there is a blizzard of snow hitting them in the face as they climb up the mountain. It is very, very cold. It is freezing cold. It is very, very hard for them to get through the blizzard. But they keep climbing. Look now. There is a very, very deep hole in the mountain. A deep hole in the mountain. What are they going to do? Look, they put down a ladder. A metal ladder. Hard metal. Ting, 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 ting. Metal. And they crawl across the massive hole. They are crazy. It is very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. They could fall right down into the hole at any moment and die. They could die. Edmund and Tenzing were very, very brave. They crossed over the hole, the big, deep hole in the mountain, the crevice. They crossed it. They crawled across. But look now. Then they ran into a huge wall, a wall made out of ice. A massive wall made from pure ice. ice. They had to use a pickaxe to climb the wall of ice. Even more crazy than before. They are crazy. Look how dangerous it is. They have studs in their shoes to grip the ice wall and climb up it. It is crazy. But there is a big problem. After they climbed the ice wall, there was no air. Very little air. The air was very thin. They couldn't breathe. They couldn't breathe properly. Look at them. They are freezing. They can barely breathe. They are holding their hearts, their chests, because they can't breathe properly. It looks like they might not be able to carry on, but they actually did carry on because they are both crazy. They carried on, and look, they reached the summit of the mountain. They reached the very top of the tallest mountain in the world. Look at them. They are very happy. They are very happy. They are cheering. Woo! We are the kings of the world. Look at the clouds. They are above the clouds. Crazy. What an amazing achievement, but very dangerous. They planted a flag. They planted a flag in the top of the mountain to say, we were here. We were the first people in the whole world to do this. And then they hugged each other because they had managed to go through all of that danger, and they had climbed the mountain and succeeded. Well done, Sir Edmund, and well done, Tenzing, his Sherpa. They are both amazing people. I admire them very much. Would you climb Mount Everest? Would you climb it? I don't know. It would be very scary. But I might give it a go. Maybe just up to the first base camp. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Mwah. Peace. Mwah. Bye-bye. Bye.